Bumalik na ang lakas ni Carlo. And that's the break set. Walang gustong buwaba. Yan ang tibay ng ating mga Chocolates Carlo. Oh! Up next, it's the single. Yan ang tunay na si Carlo. And that's the single. Mabilis lang galing bayan kanina. And that's Marco. And isa ang tibay ni Kuro-Kuro Gerard. And that's Borix. Okay, up next, it's the double. And there's a what a double. And that's Borix and Ryan.
Galing!
At syempre sa mga tagabulbog, nagkatry sa mga mga masika. Let's go. Up next, it's the backstand. And for the backstand, that's our baseman, Wilson and Daniel. Oh, and that's Ernie. And LJ. And this time there has an exhibition. And that's Carlo and Ryan. Up next, it's the King's Crown. And for the King's Crown.
Yan na.
Hoy! That's our man Carlo. So watch out! It's the standing. The standing into formation. And there's second for the standing up by 6 seconds watch. That's for San Carlo. Up next, it's the Cinnamon.
Layo pa yan.
At syempre for the Cinnamon, oh, and that's LJ. Ang napakaliksing si LJ. And watch out, isa ba yung mga nakasasino? Watch out! And that's the Cinnamon up next. It's the A-grade. At syempre ang kanyang lakas ang aming basement, Wilson Punsalan. Ginamit ang kanyang teknik. At sunod tayo. Kailangan ni Barney. And not just standing, his hands in exhibition. And as you think for the children mula, kulang pa yata kay Wilson. Tiki sa wala. Ginamit na naman ni Boy sa kanyang teknik. At syempre, para mas kailangan si Wilson, isa ba yung mga sikawan dyan? At syempre, pagwakas ng ating basement, that's Wilson Punsalan. Up next, it's the telescope. And for the telescope, and the Gerard, Ryan, Borix, and Carlo. And that's the telescope formation. Up next, one of the hardest formations, and we call it the Navy. At syempre nag-switch ang napakadulas na si Ariel. At syempre ang walang bukas na si Ernie. Ang napakagilas na si LJ. At syempre, ano na mo? Sabi na, oy! Ang walang takot na si Carlo. Ayan ang namin ang Atas na lady! Wow! Nasa ng Carlo. Up next. Up next. It's the three high. And there's our winner, that's Ariel and Ernie. Climbing up, Carlo. At syempre po sa mga taga-Bulbok Elementary School, kapag mahina po yung ating mga sigawan dyan, kapag mahina po ang ating mga sigawan dyan, nahihirapan pumalansa si Carlo. At syempre sa lahat ng mga taga-Bulbok Elementary School, mas malasin ang ating mga sigaw. Walang palakpakan dyan! Sinasabi na, ginamit lang nilang tama sa pagbaba. Isinama pa si Ernie. Sinasabi ko na, ginamit na naman ang tama sa pagbaba. Wala nang may iuwi. Talagang wala nang may iuwi. And that's Arman Carlo. Makakit pa ka sa lalay! Talagang halos nagkasunod-sunod na. At syempre po ay kasama. Papabawas ng inyong mga kaba. Up next, the tower. And for the top, nag-iinat-inat pa, that's Carlo. And ang private apartment, that's Carlo Tapay. And that's the tower. Up next, it's the Kaxawa formation. At syempre, mabili si Roldan. And for the Kaxawa, it's Roldan and Marco. And that's climbing up Boris and Gerard. At syempre, ang bilis ni Ryan at ni LJ. At syempre, ako, sumasabay na si Carlo. Syempre, di pala maluwain mo siya sa pupunta. Ay! Sinasabi na. At syempre, ang tanong, makatayo kaya pa kaya dyan sa itaas? That's Carlo Arlen. Hey! Hey! Uy! And here's our number top. And that's Carlos sa inyong magandang hapon po. And that's the Kaxawa formation. And for the finale of the Parliament buildings, we call this formation as the Fountain Formation.
Muntik na mahulog. Dapat sabihin ba ko na